So one of the things that you can easily do in Adobe InCopy is to generate QR codes. And to generate QR codes, you can go on to the object menu right here, and then here you have an access to the option called generate QR code. So let me just click on this, and what happens is that it gives you options like to select different type of QR code that you want to generate. So let's say, for example, you want to generate a business card right here. You want to generate QR code for email. You have to generate QR code for text message and so forth. So you have different options right here. One of the common uses for generating QR code is usually for a web hyperlink. So I'm just going to go around over here and type in, let's say, QR code, for example, http://www.youtube.com/tutortube for my YouTube channel right over here. And another thing that you can also do is choose the color of the QR code right here. So you can choose different colors. Usually dark colors work better when phones scan the QR code. So I'm just going to go with blue right here. So once I choose the color that I like, I can simply press OK and the QR code is generated. But wait a minute, the QR code does not look very well right here. But once you export it, it's exported in high quality and you don't have to worry, the QR code looks fine. So in order to view a proper QR code, you need to enable high quality preview. So you can simply go to view right here, and in display performance, you can simply choose high quality, and you can see that the QR code is now properly shown out. So that is how you can generate QR code inside of Adobe InCopy. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.